have not been low maintenance. Recently, I discovered that I am a highly sensitive person. And let me tell you, I've never felt so relieved in my whole life. It feels like I finally can remove my bra after a long day. For most of my life, I thought I'm a very easygoing person. People always ask me, can you help me with that? Then I'll say, yeah, of course I can. Is this okay? I'll say, yeah, of course. But inside my head, I'm saying, oh no, don't choose that. It's too bright. It's too loud. It's too bold. It's the wrong color. There's too many people. Obviously, I'm not a low maintenance person. I just forgotten to send my request form. I am brought up by a single mom. She always told me, you must adjust your life. Stop complaining. Don't ask too much. Don't make things difficult for others. I become very good in saying, oh, it's okay. That's fine. I'm okay. I'm fine. Until one day, I realized after I moved to Sweden, I start to notice maybe I'm not the only one who wear all these masks. I am not saying the kind of Halloween mask. At work, you wear your lawyer mask when you meet your boss. At home, you wear your loving mask for your children and your partner. You become friendly and helpful when you wear a social mask. And we became such good actors, and sometimes we forgot which one is us. Only difference is we haven't got any award. For most of my life, I felt like I am living in a customer service mode. And it became my hobby to make everybody happy except for the one inside my body, me. And because I am a Singaporean, we were trained to complain since we were kids. We are expert in doing that. But when I moved to Sweden, people told me, you better keep it low. And eventually, I became them without even noticing that. Realized I started to pretend that I enjoy an event, I enjoy certain food, I pretend that I am not tired, I pretend that I don't mind the inconvenience. And the recent case is I pretend that I understand the subscription contract. Remember the other time on my previous video I mentioned that I'm trying to get out of a subscription. I read the contract, I signed the contract, I come back and I read it again. I still don't understand it. Why? Because I don't want to inconvenience people. I also realize sometimes I say yes too quickly to invitation, and then later I regret, I shouldn't have said yes. And those activities I say yes to, I regret it. It felt like a torture chamber when I was there. Interesting, right? And it comes to a point where I realize that my body is sending resignation letters to my brain. I was too scared of disappointing people. Lately, things has changed. I am approaching 60s and I want to live a revolutionary new lifestyle. For example, if I go to a room where there is plenty of people, I will take the nearest exit. And now I'm going to try and say bye. And when LG is watching or anyone is watching violent movie, I will simply just excuse myself gently because life is violent enough these days. I refuse to wear uncomfortable clothes. I think that clothes belongs to somebody else. We go to restaurant, they use app or the QR code. Oh my God. When they take that out, I already full. Then I will go home and eat my instant noodle instead. Think this is going to be my new hobby. It's not to just disappoint people, but I'm going to be more kind and honest to myself, and I'm going to start to say no, thank you, not today, thanks for the invitation, we'll do it some other day. After all this year, I think I have learned something. Kindness and pleasing people are two separate things. Kindness give, pleasing people disappear, and I don't want to disappear anymore. I don't want to apologize for needing more rest. Don't want to apologize for liking simple things. I don't want to apologize for saying no. I don't want to apologize for being quiet. I don't want to apologize that I changed my mind just like this. I'm not going to apologize for protecting my energy, wanting peace, and I think this is a big one. I don't expect the universal to understand me because nobody will understand me. That's okay. For years, I tried to fit into a room that doesn't fit me, but now I'm trying to do something different. I am letting me to fit into my life. If you are still here, I really appreciate your time being with me. I really hope to hear from you so that I know I'm not alone. If you feel like this video would be helpful for someone that you know, I really hope you could share them. If you like this video, you give a hype, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.